First of all, I would like to thank and welcome you all, my dear friends who like to watch my videos. And this time, I will show you how to play the keyboard through keyboard apps from the mobile phone. And in this video, I will show you how to play the Kasi gospel songs from the Kasi hymn books. And the title of the song is called Ialam Ia. It means God's guidance. Before I teach you how to play, I will show you how to adjust the measurement and the tempo of the song. Now we go to the adjustment of the measurement and the tempo. From the right side of the keyboard, here we need to tap at the setting button, and then we need to tap at the fourth option, control, and then from the right side we need to scroll down, and then here you see the measure, and then you need to tap at the measure, and then you see the different types of measurements here: third pulse, fourth pulse, fifth pulse, and sixth pulse. The song that I would like to share to you today is from the fourth pulse measurements, and now I had already complete to set the measurements from the fourth pulse measurement. So now we came back to the main menu. Here in the main menu, you see the circle button. The circle button is means to control or to adjust the tempo or beat per meter. If you want to move faster the music, you need to spin forward the circular white button like this, and if you want to slow down the music, you need to spin backward like this. Okay, now we start to play the keyboards of the song that I've told you before.